Hello everyone. This class we are going to learn preposition. So what is preposition? Preposition is a word that shows the relationship between two things. For example, above, behind, around, below, beneath, beside, beyond, near, outside, over, past, through, toward, under. So these are the example words. You can see the chart. Here are some more examples for the preposition words. About, above, across, after, against, along, among, around, at, before, behind, below, beneath, beside, besides, between, beyond, by, despite, down, during, expect, far, from, in, into, inside, like, near, off, on, out, outside, over, past, since, through, throughout, to, toward, under, it, until, up, with, within, without. So learn closely what are the preposition words. Some prepositions consist of more than one word. Here is a list of the most common multi-word preposition. Along with, because of, due to, except for, in addition to, in case of, in front of, in place of, in spite of, instead of, on account of, out of, up to, with the exception of. So we have to learn the word closely. Prepositions for time, place and introducing objects. Time. On is used with days. I will see you on Monday. The week begins on Sunday. These are the examples for time of preposition. At is used with noon, night, midnight and with the time of the day. For example, my plane leaves at noon. The movie starts at 6 p.m. In is used with other parts of the day, with months, with years, with seasons. For example, he likes to read in the afternoon. The days are long in August. The book was published in 1990. The flowers will bloom in spring. Since, for, by, from, to, from, until, during, within. So these are the words which express an extended time. We have to learn closely. Look at the sentences. She has been gone since yesterday. That means she left yesterday and has not returned back again the same place. Understand? I'm going to Paris for 2 weeks. That means I will spend 2 weeks there. The movie saw from August to until October. Beginning in August, ending in October. That's the meaning. I watch TV during the evening. For some period of time in the evening. We must finish the project within a year. No longer than a year. So we have to finish the project within 1 year. That's the meaning. So place. So preposition words which we are going to use for a place of the sentences. In describes the point itself. There is a wasp in the room. Inside express something contained. For example, put the present inside the box. On talks about surface. I left your keys on the table. At talks about general vicinity. She was waiting at the corner. So we have to learn the word closely. We have to learn some more examples for the preposition words. Over, above. When the object is higher than a point. He threw the ball over the roof. Hang that picture above the couch. These are the example for over and above. Under, underneath, beneath, below. When the object is lower than a point. For example, the rabbit burrowed under the ground. The child hid underneath the blanket. We relaxed in the shadow beneath the tree. The valley is below sea level. Next, near, by, to, between, among. When the object is close to a point. She lives near the school. There is an ice cream shop by the store. An oak tree grows next to my house. The house is between Elm Street and Maple Street. I found my pen lying among the books. The bathroom is opposite the kitchen. Then introduce object of the verbs. At with the verb glance, laugh, look, rejoice, smile. So, for example, she took a quick glance at her reflection. So, there are more examples we have to learn. I am looking at computer monitor. Then off. Off is used with the verb approve, consist and smell. For example, I don't approve of his speech. My contribution to the article consists of many pages. He came home smelling of the alcohol. Then about, which used to express with the verbs of dream and think. For example, I am thinking about this problem. Next, for, which used to express with the verbs call, hope, look, wait, watch and wish. Did someone call for a taxi? He hopes for a raise in salary next year. I'm looking for my keys. We will wait for her here. So these are the examples we have to learn closely. Frequently misused preposition. Beside, besides. For example, beside means next to, whereas beside means in addition. Look at the example. The comb is beside the brush. Beside planning the trip, she is also getting the tickets. Between and among. Generally, between is used when two items are involved. With three or more, among is preferred. For example, between you and me, he is among friends. So, look at the example for due to, inside of. So we have to learn preposition closely, which is one of the parts of speech in English language.